Good morning, I'm Faye Thompson. This morning we're going to do a spinach souffle. Now I've had a lot of recipes for spinach souffles, but I've never had one this good before. And I'm anxious to share it with you. So we start out with a bag of frozen spinach, and I think it's 12 ounces. And you cook it like the package directions. We're going to cook this on stovetop. 1 cup of water, and then put your spinach in. This is chopped too. Chopped spinach, frozen spinach. We're just going to stir this up and get it started cooking. And I'd like for it to boil, and then I'll turn it down and cook it for 12 minutes. Okay, I think that's ready now. I'm going to turn it down low and cook it for 12 minutes. Now, our spinach is finished cooking. What we have to do is take this over and put it in a colander and drain it. And while it's draining, then we'll finish the other part of the recipe. We're going to drain that spinach, and what I'm going to do is just leave it sitting here until I get the other part of the recipe cooked to the stage that I need to add this back. We're going to take a heavy Dutch oven. Now you will need to get a Dutch oven that doesn't stick. So first of all, we're going to add 1/4 cup of butter. I love the spinach souffle. We're going to add 1/4 cup of flour. This is all-purpose flour. Thicken it with this. We cook that down until it's kind of light brown like you do all sauces. We're going to add 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and we're going to add 1 teaspoon of salt. Next thing we're going to do is add a cup of milk and stir that till it thickens. This is a real easy recipe to do. And don't let spinach scare you. When a lot of times when you say spinach, people say, oh no, I don't like spinach. There's not very many ways I like spinach. This is one of the best ones I've ever had though. Okay, now that's thickened. We are ready to add 1 cup of cheese. This is just a cheddar cheese. Now we're going to add our strained spinach that we cooked and put over there and drained it. You kind of can see what it's going to look like, and if it doesn't look good to you, don't let that fool you. It's very good. We're going to leave this sitting here for a while because I've got to do the eggs. We have 4 eggs, and what I'm going to do is put them in here and make sure that I don't get any of that yolk in there because we've got to beat those egg whites up. We're going to use 2 different mixers. We'll do we got a double yolk. Didn't need to do that. Well, I'll have to use my hand then. And we're going to beat them until they're at a stiff peak. Now we're going to take our hand mixer and mix these egg yolks until they're sort of lemony color. It takes quite a bit of mixing for this. We'll go check our egg white. Yeah, they're looking good too. Let me see if it's not about enough. Yeah, that's enough. Our egg whites are ready too. Now we're going to butter our souffle dish. Now this is an 8-inch, 3 inches tall, and it works okay for this recipe. If you don't have a souffle bowl, you can substitute. So I'm going to brush some butter and be sure that this is coated all the way around. Next thing we're going to do, we're going to take our beat up egg yolks and mix them in with the spinach mix. We got to get these yolks mixed in here real good. We're going to take our egg whites that we beat up to a peak, and we're going to fold these in. Now, you don't want to beat them. You're going to fold it in. That's very important when you're doing a souffle. That's a beautiful souffle. Love that. 350 degrees for 45 minutes. Now our souffle has finished. We're going to take it out of the oven. It's beautiful. Just perfect. Oh, we finished our spinach souffle now, and it turned out to look very pretty. And I'm anxious to get started eating on it. I'm going to have this for lunch today. I thank you for watching, and I hope you watch us again on a family video. Thanks a lot.